air-to-ground missions, electronic warfare and intelligence gathering simultaneously. It doesn't have to land and have to rearm different weapons, different fits. It can do all these missions all at the same time in a single sortie.
All of the UK's F-35 squadrons are joint RAF and Royal Navy. The commanding officer and the senior pilot alternate between the services, and the latest operational squadron on the type is a Navy squadron, 809 Naval Air Squadron, which reformed last December. An operational platform. The first carrier strike group with the new carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth took place, or deployment by that group took place in 2021, and its first use of operations against Daesh over Iraq and Syria. And since then, the F-35Bs have been flown on long-range missions as part of our response to the Ukraine conflict, integrating with Typhoons and other NATO assets. And our fleet of these aircraft is now up to 34 after the latest deliveries this March, and full operational capability for the Lightning forces due in 2025, and that'll be when the 48th aircraft is delivered. And HMS Prince of Wales will of course be joining Queen Elizabeth as the second carrier. But look at this, for a high alpha, high angle of attack, nose high pass. Now, and in the future it's intended that F-35s will be able to operate as part of a team with uncrewed platforms, UAVs basically, of one type or another, and this goes not just for us but for other air arms that use. It's what we call a low-note ships.